Good evening, good morning, my dear children. I'm your lecturer Tuan Najmir. So today we are going to learn about how to create a T account. So T account format is simply why we are calling like T account, because it will be like this. It's like a letter of T. That is why we are calling T account. So one side will come debit side and the other side will come credit side. So complete format will be like this. Okay, so first thing you want to put what is the account name. So you can create the account for every account. So first of all we want to put the account name. Today we are going to learn about the cash account. So we want to put the name of the account, cash account, and you can see in the format. And we want to divide one part for the debit side, left side, and other side will come credit side. Okay, now we'll see what is debit and what is credit side. In the cash, okay, when you see first equation, we'll go for the equation. So in the equation, as all we know, assets is equal to liabilities. So this cash account, this cash will come under assets. So as you know, whenever the cash is going up, it will be in the debit side, and whenever the cash is going down, it will be in the credit side. So just remember, cash account, whenever the cash is going up, any transaction what will impact the cash is going high, it will be in the debit side. Whatever the impact will come for a down, that means cash outflow, then it will become in the credit side. So for example, I have given 6 transactions here. Okay, so I will read it for you. You can write down in your books and you can start with me. So Ram started business with cash for 40,000. So this person of Ram is going to start a business for the amount of 40,000. So he is bringing money for the business. In the second transaction, we are telling purchase goods for 20,000. And third, sold goods, paid rent, paid salaries, and drew some personal use. That means drawings. So now let's see how we will prepare the cash account. So you put it the cash account, and you put the date and particulars and the amount, and when you're writing the amount, you want to use the currency what you are using, and the date and the particulars, again amount for the credit side. Okay, now we'll see the first transaction. Ram started business with cash for 40,000. So what will happen? Now this person who called Ram, he want to start a business now. So he is bringing money to start the business, 40,000. So this 40,000 what we are calling, actually he is bringing from cash, but we are calling as a capital, the capital of the business. So what will happen? So here I didn't put any dates, so you can put any dates. So we'll see the first transactions. You will put the date here. So what is a particular? So you can put capital. Capital. Mr. Ram. How much money he has brought? How much cash? 40,000. Why? What happened now? Now when the cash is brought in, now in the organization, now cash is there in the business. Okay, now you can start the transactions. You can buy goods, you can pay and rents, electricity, water bill, whatever. Now you can pay from his money. So now second transaction it is telling purchase good 20,000. Now okay, now capital is there. Now he have money in the business. Now he want to sell something. For what purpose? To make profit. to make sales. Now what he will do, this Ram is going to purchase some goods. Now what is the amount he is going to buy? 20,000. In 20,000 now he is going to buy purchasing goods. Now his cash flow will go out. Why? Because he will not from his pocket, he will take money from the company. So what will happen? Purchase how much? 20,000. Okay, so second transactions also we have done. In here I will tell you another one. When the cash account is debit, sometimes same time you want to learn which account will be credit also. So when you are putting the creditor, now when he is bringing, Mr. Ram is bringing the cash for the company, for the business, now what will happen? Cash account will come debit, and same time you learn which account should be credit. So which account? The capital account. And same time what will happen when he purchase goods? His cash account will come credit and the purchase account will come debit. So you want to same time you just try to practice these double entries. And what happened? Third transaction, it is telling sold goods for 24,000. Okay, sold. Now what happened? Now after he purchased the goods, now he can sell the goods for customers. So customers is coming to the business and purchasing from his business goods. So now what happened? Now money is coming, right? Yes, money is coming for the business. Now your cash account will go debit. Why? Your cash is going increasing. So sales, cash, how much? 24,000. Okay, so the transactions also finished. Now paid rent. Now this Ram want to pay his rent for his shop or for his business. He want to pay rent. Now what will happen? His cash will go out. So you can put the date here and you can put the rent. Rent is 400. Now same time you just want to image what will happen when the cash account is debit for sales. What will be the credit account? Sales account. Sales account will come credit. And same time rent is the expense account, so expense is always in debit side. And now Ram have one employee, so we want to pay his salary. Okay, so Ram is going to pay his salary 600. Now what will happen? Now again from the business money is going. So again date and salaries account. How much? 600. So salary account will come debit and your cash account will come credit. Now what happened? Now 6 transactions. Now Ram is going to buy his personal use also. From where he is taking the money for his personal use? From the business. Now again from the business money is going. So what we will call for this account normally? So we are calling drawings. Drawings. How much he is taking for his personal use? 1,000. Okay. Now all the transactions we have done. Now we can close the accounts. We can close the accounts. Okay, let's see. We'll calculate and see. You can see every time cash should be in a balance should be a debit. Why? To run a business you need money. balance. So if you didn't have money, you can not run the business. You will get stuck to pay utility bills like electricity, water, mobile bills, etc. So every time it should be in the debit balance. So you can see 40,000, 24,000, 64,000. So this side also we want to put credit side 64,000. Now there is a balance. What will happen for this balance? 42,000. You can see 20,000, 24,000, 21,000, 22,000. So how you will take this balance? So you can minus from this 22, 64,000. You can minus 22,000. So how much will come? Balance will come 42,000. The 42,000 where you will put? So you want to carry forward this balance, right? Okay. So you will carry forward this balance in the 31st, in the month end, whatever the year. So balance carried down. What is the meaning CD? Carried down. Balance carried down. 42,000. And balance BD. BD means what? Brought down. 42,000. So this is the end of the cash account. Now you see, whatever the cash is increasing, all the entries will come in the debit side, and whatever the transactions happening inside the business, it is decreasing, then it will be in the credit side. Okay, so whatever you have any queries, you can put in the comments down, so I will reply as soon as possible. And wait for my second lectures also. We will do another questions like this to make your knowledge more. Okay, thank you very much. So if you doesn't make my channel subscribe, make it subscribe, then you will learn more and more free of charge. Thank you.